All right, guys. So now let's come back to our device. Let's come back to our device and draw this a little more. So I have my Thinox first, correct? Yes or no? Then I have poly on top of that. I have my terminals, source and drain, correct? By the way, this device structure is very primitive. Primitive matlab Baba Adam ke zamane ka hai. Current MOS technology is much more advanced. For example, they put some rings here as well. We will not get into all of that. There is FinFET also right now. FinFET is not commercial yet. I was talking to one of my friends from Broadcom yesterday. He works in Broadcom Bombay. I'll probably invite him for a guest lecture also. Broadcom is like one of the VLSI companies to work for after Intel. They make your phone chips. Okay. So, FinFET is another technology. I'll explain to you what is technology and all. Okay? That we'll see later. पहला video देख लेने का, फिर next week I'll discuss more things related to that. Okay? Now, what is this parameter called? Channel. Okay? Let's project this in a little three-dimensional. Now, all right? Poly and oxide. Poly and oxide. Okay? What I'm trying to drive at is, first, if I increase the length of the channel, if I increase the length of the channel, do you agree the resistance will increase? Rho L by A, na? Any conducting element, if I increase the length, resistance is bound to increase. You can say, sir, because of channel length modulation, it will come down. Yes, but 100 में से 70% होएगा, but 100 तो बढ़ गया ना अभी. Yes or no? So overall resistance, will it go up or go down? Go up. Remember this. On the other hand, if this is length, can I say this is the width of the channel? Yes or no? This is the width of the channel? Yes or no? Correct? So, if I increase the width, do you agree that the resistance will come down? The question that I posed was, if I increase my width, will my resistance come down? Yes. Resistance is rho L by A, directly proportional to the length, inversely proportional to the cross-sectional area. Engineering mein every word, say it very carefully, it could be your last word in that company. Correct. So, rho L, so if I increase the width, what goes down? Resistance. लेकिन जिंदगी में हर एक चीज का एक ट्रेड ऑफ होता है यार, वो एक प्रॉब्लम है. मिठाई खाते वक्त बहुत मजा आता है, उसके बाद वेट बढ़ता है. वेट बढ़ता है, ज्यादा खाएगा डायबिटीज होएगा. You have to understand, everything in life has a trade-off. Mercedes, great quality, great car, unfortunately, very great cost. You understand what I'm saying, right? So everything has a trade-off. You have to play within that trade-off. I'll explain to you what that trade-off is. But first, W and L. The W and L will control my resistance, yes or no? I'm not saying directly or inversely proportional yet, but W and L will control my resistance, yes or no? Then I can say will control my current, yes or no? So typically, I'm not asking you all to remember this formula, but make note of this formula. I want you all to revise, go online and check, or whatever source. One book I would suggest that you must look out for is Kang and Lebesgue. ये book note करो. Okay, now I can't say that on record, right? So I can go to jail for that. So now W by L can control current. So I can say ID or ID saturation, typically they say, is equal to K times W by L. Okay. Barabar? I could be wrong at the formula also, but I know one thing. K is it's a constant which has your oxide thickness and all into play. Correct? It takes all of that. It is voltage minus voltage square. I don't expect to memorize formula. But I know one thing, it is directly proportional to your drain to source voltage. It is the difference of your drain to source minus your, anybody? Threshold voltage. VDS minus VT. Correct? So lesser the threshold, fatafat flip hoga na, yes or no? Threshold is some voltage. That gate voltage पे कुछ तो gate voltage लगाना पड़ेगा तब आके ऊपर आएगा, yes or no? So that threshold that has to be crossed is called threshold voltage. Understood? Yes or no? It's called threshold voltage. Is everybody following me? Yes or no? Now, basically what I want you to understand is W by L will control your current. ये बहुत जरूरी important ये है. Understood? You can explain it by multiple angles. You can say that my channel is like a conductor. If I increase the width of the conductor, my cross-sectional area will increase. Hence, my resistance will come down. Hence, my current will increase. Okay? On the other hand, you can also say that if my length, in whatever possible way. But did you understand? Yes or no? Okay. Add to this, there will be your channel length modulation. Huh? Channel का कुछ भी dimension बनाओ. Channel length modulation तो होगा ही. You cannot prevent that. Is it understood? Somebody will say, okay sir, channel length modulation is happening. What if I increase my channel length? That's a logical question, yes or no? I said now channel length will happen across, channel length modulation will happen across that channel. Let's draw it and see. पहला channel length ये था. Okay, yes or no? So, channel length modulation is happening like this. Correct, yes or no? Now, this is my channel length. Now I am saying channel length modulation will happen across this. You cannot eliminate channel length modulation. समझ में आया? Understood? For a particular channel length, there will be a particular channel length modulation. Channel length change क्या? Channel length modulation change होएगा. But the process of channel length modulation cannot be eliminated. Correct? Okay. Okay. So, do you understand? My W by L can control current. Very important है ये याद रखने का. Okay. Now, this is metal, oxide, semiconductor. Yes or no? Metal, oxide, semiconductor. Can I say that together they form a capacitance? बराबर? What is capacitor? Parallel plate क्या होता है? ऊपर एक कंडक्टर, नीचे एक कंडक्टर, बीच में डाइलेक्ट्रिक. अपने केस में ऊपर एक कंडक्टर, नीचे एक सेमीकंडक्टर, बट कंट्रोल्ड सेमीकंडक्टर. यस और नो? बराबर? Okay? Yes? So, in that case, what will happen is, your gate will form one capacitance. Yes or no? Gate will form one capacitance, na? Barabar? We call it CG. Your gate is what? Your metal oxide semiconductor. Together it will form your gate. Gate will have its own capacitance. Understood? Yes or no? ये पॉइंट समझ में आया ना? नहीं, ये अभी थोड़ा क्रिटिकल बेसिक्स है, विच इज रिलेटेड टू योर VLSI. ओके, एवरीबडी फॉलोइंग? नाउ व्हाट इज अ कैपेसिटर? कैपेसिटर इज लाइक अ बाल्टी. बाल्टी देगा घर पे? सबके घर पे बाल्टी है. करेक्ट? एवरी सीन अ बाल्टी ना? क्या होता है? ड्रम. ड्रम को भरना पड़ता है, ड्रम से पानी निकालना पड़ता है. सो if I call this node A, let's call this node A. That is the gate. The gate is a node. Correct? Yes or no? The gate is a node. Correct? That needs a voltage. Correct? Yes or no? The gate is a node that needs voltage. If it does not have voltage, can it be controlled? Can it be controlled? No. The gate voltage cannot be controlled. Okay. So now what I'm trying to say is, suppose ये बाल्टी एक साइज का है, एक पर्टिकुलर साइज का बाल्टी है, उसमें मैं पानी भर रहा हूं. पानी भरना मतलब चार्ज सप्लाई करना, yes or no? Capacitor will store charge, yes or no? So I am supplying, some circuit X is supplying charge. So it will start charging this capacitor, yes or no? It will start charging. Bigger the capacitor, more time it will take to charge, yes or no? Bigger the capacitor, more time it will take to charge. First point. So time taken to charge is directly proportional to size of capacitor, yes or no? Everybody agrees? बड़ा बाल्टी है, पानी भरने को तो टाइम लगेगा ना. Okay. Until this बाल्टी here, this node A, जब तक ये बाल्टी यहां पे पूरा भरता, मतलब जब तक ये, how much the balti is full, please understand my concept very carefully. How much this balti is full will reflect the amount of voltage at this node, yes or no? बराबर. More charge means more potential. On the other hand, could be less potential also. Correct, yes or no? So bigger balti will take more time to reach that potential, yes or no? Do you understand this? The more time taken for this voltage to rise means more time taken for your transistor to turn on, yes or no? समझ में आया? वापस स्क्रैच से लूंगा. अपना गेट एक बाल्टी है, yes or no? क्यों बाल्टी है? कैपेसिटर है. गेट इज इक्वल टू कैपेसिटर इक्वल टू योर बाल्टी. बाल्टी को जब तक बाल्टी जितना भर रहा है, मतलब उसका वोल्टेज उतना रिफ्लेक्ट होएगा, यस और नो? करेक्ट. बड़ा बाल्टी को ज्यादा टाइम लगेगा भरने के लिए. मींस दैट कैपेसिटर विल टेक मोर टाइम टू चार्ज, यस और नो? मींस द वोल्टेज एट योर गेट विल टेक मोर टाइम टू राइज. जो ऊपर से आ रहा है, यस और नो? जब तक गेट वोल्टेज नहीं बढ़ेगा तब तक अपना ट्रांजिस्टर टर्न ऑन होगा क्या? नो. सो रिमेंबर, द बिगर द गेट, moral of the story, the bigger the gate, the more time the transistor will take to turn on, yes or no? Understood this point, yes or no? The bigger the gate, the more time the transistor will take to turn on. Logically समझ में आया ना? बाल्टी भरने को टाइम लगेगा. जब तक पूरा बाल्टी भरेगा नहीं तब तक तुम लोग नहाने का चालू करेगा नहीं. I know everybody takes a shower, different story, but I'm still saying. जब तक पानी एक लिमिट तक भरेगा नहीं तुम लोग नहाना चालू करेगा क्या? नहीं. सेम थिंग. विल द ट्रांजिस्टर टर्न ऑन? नो. सो ट्रेड ऑफ. यू माइट इंक्रीज योर विड्थ टू डिक्रीज योर रेजिस्टेंस. अग्रीड, यस और नो? यू इंक्रीज योर विड्थ ना, रेजिस्टेंस कम करने के लिए. साला तुम्हारा गेट वोल्टेज बढ़ गया ना, अच्छा तुम्हारा गेट का साइज बढ़ गया. आई इंक्रीज माई विड्थ. सो इफ आई एम इंक्रीजिंग माई विड्थ, my overall area of my gate is increasing, yes or no? So what increased? Your capacitance increased. Capacitance increased matlab the time taken to turn on the device increased. Time taken increased. समझ में आया ना? तो भले ही तुम्हारा रेजिस्टेंस कम हुआ लेकिन तुम्हारा दुकान चालू करने के लिए तुमको थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा. करेक्ट. अब तुम बोले सर इसका सोल्यूशन क्या है? That's a problem. Every problem has the blessing of a problem that it asks for a solution, which will lead to another problem. But how do you solve this? Did you all understand this issue? Yes or no? That problem is not your problem. You know whose problem it is? The guy who's controlling your gate. Your gate is being controlled by somebody else, yes or no? That circuit X. Correct, yes or no? Circuit X. It is his problem not to fill your balti, because until your balti is not full, your transistor is not turned on. तो तुम क्या बोलोगे? बोले अरे भाई छोटा पाइप मत ले, फायर इंजन का होज लेकर आ. बराबर. Means what will you say? You will say please charge this faster. charging faster means giving more current, yes or no? So now you trying to reduce your resistance, in effect have asked the guy behind you to reduce his resistance as well. Understood, yes or no? See, why did I increase my width? To reduce my resistance, ताकि मैं ज्यादा करंट आगे वाले को दे पाऊं, yes or no? बट इन एसेंस मैं क्या बोल रहा हूं, मैंने अपना रेजिस्टेंस कम किया तो मेरा साइज बढ़ा, मेरा साइज बढ़ा तो मेरा कैपेसिटेंस बढ़ा, बराबर? मेरा कैपेसिटेंस बढ़ा तो मेरे को टर्न ऑन करने के लिए ज्यादा टाइम लगेगा, करेक्ट? मतलब पीछे वाले को क्या बोला, भाई तू भी मेरे को ज्यादा करंट दे. अंडरस्टूड ना? इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट यू नीड टू रिमेंबर ये, क्योंकि जब तुम लोग स्कीमेटिक में डिजाइन करोगे एक ट्रांजिस्टर को दूसरे को ही लगाओगे ना. अंडरस्टूड, यस और नो? यस और नो? One more concept I will explain, then we will take a break. Okay? Now let's understand this. Why is it so significant? Why is it so significant? Before that, we need to understand NMOS will turn on a positive voltage, yes or no? Correct? Positive gate to source voltage, VGS, needs to be positive. VGS needs to be, please understand, positive VGS. So gate with respect to source. Gate with respect to source. Please understand this. PMOS will turn on for a negative VGS. The gate voltage can be 0, but source has to be greater so that VGS is negative. समझ में आया, हाँ या ना? Understood? Yes or no? It's not strictly just the gate voltage, it is the potential difference between the gate and the source. Understood? Yes or no? Last bench. Huh? Yes. Without VGS, there will be no channel only. Yeah. Oh, no, that's okay. But did you understand? That's what I'm asking. Okay. All right. Now, very important that NMOS will turn on a positive voltage, gate to source voltage. PMOS will turn on a negative. Okay. Now, this is NMOS. This is PMOS. You can show it using arrows and all also, but this is easier to show. Without the bubble is PMOS, without the bubble is NMOS, with the bubble is PMOS. We'll be following this standard. Understood? Yes or no? Okay. N, P. Okay. Now, there is gate, there is source, there is drain. As I said, source and drain can be interchangeable. Until I don't apply voltage, can I say कौन क्या है? नहीं, तब तक कोई भी हो सकता है. Anything. Now, do you agree that current can pass through this channel in both cases? Correct? Yes or no? Current is voltage. They both are related. Correct? I am going to make a statement. One of your homeworks for this week, you have to find out why. Okay? नहीं समझा तो मैं बाद में समझाऊंगा. But तुम लोग को पहले जाके देखना है. So, first homework is watching that video. Second homework is revise the MOS का equations. लिखो, नोट करो. एंड मेरा होमवर्क है ना भाई, कॉपिंग मत करना, थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम होएगा. मैं नॉर्मली चेक नहीं करता हूँ, लेकिन अगर मैंने चेक कर लिया और मैंने पकड़ लिया असाइनमेंट तो पूरा मतलब प्रोजेक्ट्स फुल चेक होएगा. डोंट कॉपी इन दिस कोर्स, आई एम टेलिंग यू स्ट्रेट अप. I will duck 15% course grade, no questions asked. And you'll never get a reco from me. Never. Never matter for whatever. Even if you ace the final project also. I'm saying that if you cheat. Okay. Now, remember one thing. First, let's say if I say one VDD is what? Source voltage. VDD is source voltage. Ground source मतलब कौन सा? Not the source and drain वाला source. VDD is your actual supply voltage. We call it source voltage also, supply voltage. VDD is your supply voltage. Ground is your ground. So I am saying logic 1 is VDD, logic 0 is ground, 0 volts. Correct? Yes or no? So logic 1 is VDD, that is 5 volts. Let's say in our course we'll be using it as 5 volts. आज इंडस्ट्री में 1.8 volts comfortably चल रहा है. क्यों हो रहा है वो different story, scaling all those points that we will not get into now. We are going to use a very conservative 5 volt technology. Yes, there was a question. Somebody said something in between. I heard a voice. Okay. You have a point? You have something? 5 volts. 5 volts. And that currently industry standard is 1.8 volts, 3.3 volts wala bhi chips hai. Like all your standard microcontrollers are 3.3 volts. Correct. But they do have a 5 volt capability as well. Not all of them, some of them. Let's not get into that for now. When you get your output as 5 volts, that's logic 1. When you get it as 0 volts, it's logic 0. That kind of one, when it is exactly 5 volts, is called as a strong one. It's called as a strong one. When it is exactly 0 volts, it is a strong 0. But you agree that output can also be 4.5 volts? 4.2 volts? Let's say 4.2 volts. That is called as a weak one. That is called as a weak one. Similarly, 0 say 0.7 volts. It is close to 0, na? That is called as a weak 0. Understood? Yes or no? मतलब ये कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आया ना? एकदम फाड़ के 5 वोल्ट्स आया मतलब स्ट्रॉन्ग वन, थोड़ा नीचे आया मतलब वीक वन. Similar with 0, strong 0 is lower, weak 0 is higher. You have a question? Then that is metastability. Then that is matlab, then you can you differentiate between 0 and 1? No. Your transistor will also not be able to differentiate. Then the correct term is you are in trouble. The correct term is you are in trouble. Good question. I would also ask the same thing. If you are in between, then basically your circuit is not functioning well. Why do you have two logic levels? I should be able to differentiate between 0 and 1. Weak 1 और weak 0 के बीच में कुछ आया तो I don't know. So you should not design circuits that give you outputs like that. Now comes the point. I'll tell you. NMOS. Now this is homework number 3. I'm making a statement. You have to verify why I made that statement. Verify, validate, explain, whatever. Or maybe if you want a more formal question, explain the following statement. Explain the following statement. And it's different from write a short note on, please. Explain the following statement. An NMOS will always pass a strong 0. A NMOS will always pass a strong 0. Pass मतलब अगर मैंने यहाँ पे 0 वोल्ट लगाया तो दूसरे साइड पे भी क्या आएगा? 0 वोल्ट, provided the gate is on. Provided the gate is on. Understood? Yes or no? जब तक गेट ऑन नहीं है कुछ आजू बाजू जा सकता है क्या? नहीं. गेट इज ऑन, करेक्ट? And if on one side I have 0 volts, on the other side also I will have 0 volts. So NMOS will always pass a strong 0 but a weak 1. जो भी कर लो NMOS स्ट्रॉन्ग 1 कभी दे ही नहीं पाएगा दूसरे साइड पे. मतलब अगर मैंने यहां पे 5 वोल्ट्स लगा लिया एंड गेट को ऑन किया, सो टेक्निकली दिस पॉइंट शुड ऑल्सो चार्ज अप टू 5 वोल्ट्स, यस और नो? It should also come up to 5 volts. It will not. The question, the answer to that statement, you guys have to find out. I'll give you a hint. It has something to do with threshold voltage. Make a note of the hint. It has something to do with threshold voltage. Okay? And it is related to your assignment number. What was assignment number 1? Acha, related to assignment number 2. Revise the MOS equations. So 2 and 3 are tied together. Correct? वो VGS is equal to VDS is VGS minus V threshold should be greater than VGS. वो सब equation है ना? It is something to do with that. I'm giving you a hint. You all can discuss and do it as well. But this is one more fundamental aim. Okay? So my statement is what? NMOS can pass a strong 0 but a weak 1. PMOS can pass a strong 1 but a weak 0. नहीं, note करो. You have to write an explanation of why it happens. Understood? Yes or no? So that's part of your assignment. Now, for now, believe me, I'm telling you the truth. NMOS passes strong 0, weak 1. PMOS passes strong 1, weak 0. उसका बहुत बड़ा impact है. I'll explain to you what is the impact after the break. Okay?